The DJI Neo 2, the rumored 2026 powerhouse that's set to redefine what a compact drone can do. If you're a drone enthusiast, a filmmaker on the go, or just someone who loves cutting-edge gadgets, this is the video you've been waiting for. Stick around because by the end, you'll know every leaked detail, every speculated feature, and why this could be the drone that changes everything. Let's jump right in. Picture this. It's 2026 and DJI, the undisputed king of drones, is about to drop the sequel to their wildly popular Neo. The original DJI Neo was a game-changer, lightweight, affordable, with AI tracking that made it perfect for beginners and pros alike. But the Neo 2, oh man, the leaks are painting a picture of pure innovation. From what insiders are whispering, this thing is built on the foundation of the Neo but cranked up to 11. We're talking enhanced AI, longer flight times, and features that make it feel like it's reading your mind. But before we get into the specs, let's talk about why these leaks are exploding right now. Sources from supply chains in China and early tester forums are dropping hints that DJI is testing prototypes as we speak. Imagine getting your hands on tech that's not even officially announced yet. That's the thrill we're chasing here. Let's start with the design. The original Neo was all about portability, weighing in at under 250 grams, which meant no FAA registration headaches for hobbyists in the US. The Neo 2, according to leaked renders, keeps that slim profile but adds a more rugged build. Think carbon fiber reinforcements for better durability against crashes. Because let's face it, we've all had those oops moments. The color schemes, expect sleek matte black with accents in neon blue or stealth gray, making it look like it jumped out of a sci-fi movie. And the folding arms, even smoother with a new magnetic lock system that snaps into place effortlessly. If you're thinking about tossing this in your backpack for a hike in the Rockies or a beach day in California, it's designed exactly for that American adventure lifestyle. Now, what about the camera? This is where things get really exciting. The Neo had a solid 4K camera, but leaks suggest the Neo 2 upgrades to a 1/1.3-inch sensor with 48 MP stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second. But here's the kicker: improved low-light performance thanks to a new night mode powered by AI. Imagine filming a sunset over the Grand Canyon or a nighttime cityscape in New York without that grainy footage. And stabilization? DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 is rumored to be on board, meaning buttery smooth shots even in windy conditions. If you've ever struggled with shaky drone video, this could be your savior. Plus, there's talk of a wider field of view lens, perfect for those epic landscape shots that make your Instagram pop. But wait, it's not just about the hardware. The smarts are what set DJI apart. The Neo 2 is said to feature advanced AI subject tracking, building on the original's quick-shot modes. Leaks point to a new intelligent follow 2.0 that can track multiple subjects at once, like you and your dog on a trail run. Or how about voice commands integrated with your smartphone? Just say, "Neo, follow me," and it's off. And for safety, enhanced obstacle avoidance with 360-degree sensors. No more accidental tree hugs. These features aren't just gimmicks. They're designed to make drone flying accessible, especially for US users navigating strict airspace rules. Think about it. You're at a family barbecue in Texas, and the Neo 2 is circling overhead, capturing memories without you worrying about collisions. Flight time is always a big deal, right? The original Neo gave about 16 minutes, which was decent for its size. But the Neo 2, whispers say up to 25 minutes on a single charge, thanks to a more efficient battery and propulsion system. That's huge for content creators who need longer takes without swapping batteries mid-shoot. And charging? Fast charge tech that gets you to 80% in under 20 minutes. If you're planning a road trip across the Midwest, this means less downtime and more aerial fun. Plus, the controller or lack thereof. The Neo 2 might go fully app-controlled via your phone, with optional gesture controls for that futuristic vibe. Let's not forget connectivity. In 2026, with 5G everywhere, the Neo 2 is expected to have seamless live streaming capabilities. Leaked documents mention integration with apps like TikTok and YouTube directly from the drone's app, so you can broadcast your adventures in real time to your followers. For US audiences, this ties perfectly into the creator economy. Think vloggers in LA or influencers in Miami going live from impossible angles. And privacy? DJI is stepping up with encrypted data transmission to address those concerns we've